Let's look at the features of palettes in AutoCAD. With palettes, you can easily access calculation tools, drawing setting commands, and more. There are times you might need a palette to stay on screen for a longer period. Let's see how we can optimize the palette so that it doesn't cover large area on screen. Go to the View tab. Now under Palette panel, you can see different available items for palettes which can be displayed on the interface. The three palettes I like working with often are Property palette for changing the properties of any selected object, the Calculation palette, and the Layer palette. Press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. Note later on, toward the end of this lesson, I will display a list of AutoCAD shortcuts on screen. So hold down Ctrl and press 1 or click on this Property palette to toggle it on. If I click on this drawing, the Properties palette displays all the settings associated with this geometry. I'll draw a cycle. Clicking on this cycle displays the parameter. I want my cycle to have 200 units as its diameter, which is 100 units radius by the way. Click on the diameter and type 200. As you can see, it changes immediately. Seeing the functionality of this palette, it would be nice to have it available all the time, but it's quite unfortunate that it's large on screen. To correct that, press and hold your left mouse button on this bar, drag and drag this palette on the middle left end of your screen. Hover to the main bar of the palette and click on this Auto Hide button. Next, right-click on the bar and choose Icons Only. Now, anytime you go to the icon, it will display your Properties palette for you. If you want it to stay on screen, click on the Auto Hide button to toggle off. If you don't want it anymore on your interface, click the Close button. To bring it back, just go to the View tab and click on the Properties. Also click on Calculator and Layer palette to add them. But this Layer palette is covering almost half of my screen, so I will just come to the end right till my mouse changes and click and drag to reduce the size.